Welcome to Digital Photography, MUL 105. I'm John Myers, the instructor here for this class this term. I'm recording this video in my studio in Eugene, Oregon. And so that's what you see behind me there. Today we're going to just do a quick intro about the class, what's going to happen throughout the term, and what you can expect, what our expectations are. So the first thing I need you to do is to press the pause button on this video and go ahead and print a copy of the syllabus or open it up so you can look through it. It's an ebook there in MUL, and you can check that out. All right, now that you've got the syllabus printed in front of you and you're able to look at it, we're going to just run through some basic stuff. We've got course contact, a little bit about myself. We've got our core learning outcomes, course level learning, and the course schedule, grading, expectations. Most of that stuff is pretty boilerplate, and I'm going to let you go through it, and then if you have questions, fire them back at me, but there's a few key points there that I want to go over with you right now. Number one is course contact. My email and phone number are listed on there. I do not have office hours out at LCC this term, but the best way to reach me with this class is to use the Moodle forum and to just go ahead and post. Every day I will go through and clear out that forum and make sure that all of the questions are answered and that you're getting what you need out of that. Email, things can sometimes get lost, and I'll get other school related matters. We'll kind of cross connect there. So questions, use the Moodle forum or contact me through Moodle, direct message me. Course schedule, I want you to look through that. You'll see that week by week there's going to be projects due. We're going to have multiple photography projects that are due. There's going to be critiques that are going to happen along with those. So you're going to have forum postings. You're going to be posting images online to look at. You're going to be doing a couple of research papers in there. And overall, you're going to have about 4 photo projects throughout the entire term, including a final project, which is worth about 1/3 of your final grade. Let's go over some stuff that you need for the class. This class uses a DSLR style camera. So the DSLR camera, the lens is interchangeable, so we can take the lens on and off and change it. And you can see the camera there. We have full control over the camera, so we can control the shutter speed, the aperture, ISO, autofocus, all of the stuff that we need to be able to make really good creative pictures. So you'll need to make sure that you have a DSLR camera that can shoot in RAW mode. Okay, so that's going to make for a Nikon file an NEF file. For Canon, it's a CR2 file. If you have questions, if your camera is going to work for the class, contact me right away so we can work through any problems there might be there. Our textbook is an ebook from the LCC library, Zen of Post-Production. We'll be working through that chapter by chapter. That's going to give you kind of the foundation to be using Lightroom. And Lightroom is a piece of software developed by Adobe, works with Photoshop, and it's the software that we use to organize, maintain, and catalog all of our photographs. We can also do a lot of editing work to our images to make them look really, make them look their best. So like that image that you see behind me over my shoulder there from the Painted Hills, or that owl that's on the wall over there, those were all images that were edited in Lightroom and then exported and printed in Lightroom also. So Lightroom is a very powerful piece of software. The subscription cost for Lightroom is about $10 a month, or the entire Adobe suite is $20 a month with your Lane email. So if you use your academic email, you get a discount on all of that. You can get that software at adobe.com, and I'll have another tutorial that kind of walk you through what that all looks like. All right, so we've got a textbook from library, we've got a DSLR camera that you need, and then our software from adobe.com. The last thing that you're going to need is a memory card for your camera. This one uses a compact flash card, so it's a little, actually this one's got an SD card. So you'll need something like this, like an SD card for your camera. This is a 32 gigabyte card. You can get a 64 gigabyte, 32. They're inexpensive, about $20 a piece. And you'll want to make sure you have a battery for your camera and battery charger. And that's about it. So we'll be rolling through, but that's me. I'm John, and I'm excited to be teaching this class online. Thanks so much for watching.